Hello everyone, I invite you to every Wednesday cryptocurrency review. We will start today's review by checking the current situation of BTC's dominance over the rest of the cryptocurrency market. At the beginning, we will mark the downtrend with the yellow line, which ended with an uptrend and a transition to the uptrend channel indicated with the help of the blue lines. As we can see, we have a sideways breakout from the channel. At this point, it is worth watching whether we will see a return to the designated channel or a larger downward move. When we turn on the EMA cross 200, we see that the optimization is still above the 200 trailing, which confirms that it remains in a strong uptrend. Going further, we can use the trend-based fib extension tool to determine support on the chart. And here we will first mark the visible support zone from 48.56% to 47.42%. Then support at 46.3%. And then the second strong support zone from 44.68% to 42.61%. Looking the other way, we will similarly mark the zones that should be a significant resistance in taking over the market dominance. And here in the first place there is a strong resistance zone from 52.05% to $54.04. When we leave it above, we will move towards the second zone from 55.62% to 57.21%. Please note the CHOP index, which indicates that the collected energy is used to decrease dominance. On the RSI, we have a return to the lower part of the range. However, looking at the stock index, we can see that the energy indicates impending depletion, which may slow down further decline. Hello everyone, I invite you to every Monday's cryptocurrency review. Let's start by checking the current situation on the BTC pair to USDT, taking into account the 4-hour interval. First, we will use the blue lines to mark the sideways trend channel in which the price is moving. Despite an attempt to exit the indicated channel upwards, the price quickly returned to its previous level. Locally, using the yellow line, we can mark a downtrend under which the price remains. Now we can move on to marking support areas when the price starts a major correction. For this purpose, we will use the trend-based fib extension tool, and after unfolding the grid, we can see that the first support is at $25,462. Then we have support at $25,054. And then we can mark support zone from $24,712 to $24,385. Looking the other way, we can determine the places of resistance in a similar way. Here we can see that the price is fighting a resistance at $25,986, which it has no strength to break yet. Then there is a resistance at $26,393, a third resistance at $26,721. Then the price needs to break the resistance zone from $27,055 to $27,536 to go further towards the resistance at $28,125. Please pay attention to the CHOP index, which indicates that a lot of energy has been accumulated for the upcoming move. The RSI indicator is moving in the lower part of the range with a place for the price to go a little lower, while the stock indicator, despite a significant rebound, is still there so that we can see the price drop. As the second chart in today's review, we'll be looking at BNB versus USDT, also on a 4-hour time frame. First, we will use the yellow line to mark the uptrend from which the price went down, then we have a visible downtrend, from which we observe the sideways exit, and currently we can mark the local channel of the sideways trend with the blue lines. Now let's move on to marking the places of support. We will use the fib retracement tool to mark the support, and here we can see that the price is at the upper border of the support zone from $215 to $210. However, when we fall below this zone, we still have support at $203. And then we can see a strong drop to the support area at $184. Looking the other way, we can also mark the places where the price should meet resistance. And here, a slight price movement will enter the resistance zone from $216 to $220. Then we have the second zone from $223 to $225. Then resistance at $229, and then resistance at $234. The CHOP index indicates that there is a lot of energy to be used in the upcoming move. On the RSI, we are in the middle of the range, which makes it difficult to determine the direction. But the stock indicator indicates a rebound, which may push the price towards the resistance zone. The last one in today's chart is the chart of ETH in pair to USDT on a one-day interval. First, we will use the yellow line to mark the downtrend from which the price has changed to an uptrend. Then with the blue lines we will mark the uptrend channel, from which the price breaks out at the bottom. Often leaving the channel gives a move similar in size to the channel, so you should take into account such an event. When we look at the EMA cross 200, we see that the price has fallen below the blue line, which indicates a return to the downtrend. It is worth watching further behavior under this line. Moving on, we can move on to marking support areas when we start a larger correction. And here we have a visible support zone from $1,667 to $1,515. Then there is a second strong support zone from $1,367 to $1,152, and then a strong support at $880. Looking the other way, we see that the price has reached an important resistance zone that it has not yet been able to overcome from $1,920 to $2,235. However, if we manage to get out of it higher, we still have resistance at $2,555, and then a very strong resistance at $3,008. Please look at the CHOP index, which indicates that we have a lot of energy to make a move. The RSI indicator shows a rebound and a sideways trend, while the stock indicator indicates that most of the energy has been used, which may give the price a rest. Technical analysis is provided by a third party and for informational purposes only. It does not reflect the views of CryptoDaily, nor is it intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.